Has anybody told you lately that you are a light? Hey folks, it's Susan at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway Historic, downtown Paducah. Positive energy, it works. Time for your angel message. I know a lot of people are looking for some help this week. So I am going to be using Kyle Grade's new Oracle cards, Raise Your Vibration. So let's see what the universe has to say. I'm going to pull a card and just ask my angels and my spirit guides to help me with what the collective needs to hear, right now. Ooh, there's some tickles over here, right here. Okay, so this one right here. I am a light in the world. Yeah. How many times have we felt like somebody's pinching our flame out, right? Well, you know what? It happens. But has anybody told you lately that you are a light? No? All right, well, let me tell you, Susan is telling you, you are a light, okay? And I'm hearing from the angels, and I'm hearing from your angels, you are a light. Tell them they are a light, okay? And maybe you're not, a 1,000-watt bulb at the moment. Maybe you're a 10-watt bulb at the moment, but you're a light to someone. You're a light to yourself. You're a light to the universe, to God, okay? So I am a light in the world is your reminder this week. You are a valued member of humanity. You are a light. A lot of times we do feel beat up. All right, so let's see. I'm feeling drawn to my archangel cards. Let's see if the angels would like to give you some further advice about that. Okay, spiritual understanding. This is Archangel Raziel. I am bringing you esoteric information and symbols, hoping you understand spiritual truths. So I think what the angels are trying to tell you is there are some signs all around you that you are not alone, that they are with you, that your ancestors are helping you. So look around. Are you seeing lots of feathers, lots of pennies? Are you seeing like a number repeat? Those are all signs that your angels and your guides are with you. So folks, I hope that validation that you are a light, you are, and that you're not alone, that they're trying to tell you you're not alone. Look around. You'll be surprised how many signs and symbols that you will see in this next couple of days if you start looking. I promise, okay? I hope that message resonates with you this week. We appreciate the thumbs up, and of course, if you subscribe, that helps us grow the channel, and I can bring you these angel messages every week. Folks, have a very blessed week. Namaste.